Hey y'all, welcome back to STA Farms.
Hey, Poppy.
So it's New Year's Eve and we wanted to do one more video to wish you guys a Happy New Year, and we thought we'd bring you along on our feeding adventure this evening. So Dottie's already made her way in here. So, watch out, little man. Up. Okay, let me pick the bottle holder up.
Poppy.
This thing is amazing. And Daisy's on her way back here too. Here, Dottie. There you go, girl. It's raining, so don't go out there. All right, here's Sam. Here you go, pretty girl. She always gets confused. We're starting to get a little bit low on the feed. I'm having to reach a little bit further, but we'll make a trip down to the feed store in the next few days. Hey guys. June. Come on, Pete. Little big boy. Hello, Trixie. Glad you come up. June. Mabel, I'm sorry. How are you? All right, now. Give the girls a little bit more of their feed. So we've been feeding Dottie and Daisy. We've got some calf starter right here. So what I've been doing is I give them 1 scoop calf starter, 1 scoop of the sweet feed that we got from TSC, and then another scoop of the calf starter. And then I kind of mix it up a little bit. And Dottie's finished with her bottle already. So, come on, girl. Scooch over. You're wet. I guess that's what happens when it rains, huh? There you go. All right, guys. So, we thank you for coming along with us while we feed. Again, we want to wish you a Happy New Year. We hope you're all well and healthy and prosperous. And if you haven't already, remember to go ahead and give us a thumbs up, which means like, subscribe, and continue watching our videos for some good, clean, wholesome fun. Bye.